We're gonna make some smoked queso for KC game day.
Yay, go Chiefs.
Ooh.
So let's get the roughneck ready for our smoked queso.
So we are practicing this dip for a family Christmas party coming up. It is my family's party. Next weekend we have one with his family as well, and we are having a Chiefs tailgate Christmas party. So we were going to do.
Everybody's doing tailgate food.
Yeah. So when we knew that was the situation, we had to think about what we wanted, and this is kind of what we landed on. So you made a beer cheese yesterday to test out, and then today you're making this new one.
Yeah. Yesterday was a beer cheese. Today is smoked queso, sausage smoked queso.
Because the beer cheese was good, but wasn't exactly what you wanted. So we're going to try something a little different and see how it goes, but I'm excited.
This is from the previous cook. You can see, this is the charcoal that's left over. I usually just do this right here so that it gets all the ash knocked down into the ash pan. And then what I'll do is just take it off here. I'm gonna throw this away, put that back on there. We'll add some more charcoal to that and then get it lit. Get a couple chunks of smoke wood in here. Get down to the small pieces. I have to get me some more. Oh, here's another chunk right there. Like that. Let's add some more charcoal. Charcoal's ready. go. So I do have the deflector plate or the heat shield in there. It sits on a shelf just above the fire basket there. We're going to run 275 to 300 for our temp on the roughneck. We're ready to go. So you don't have to cook or smoke this for a long time. You really just want to get everything melted and incorporated together. So maybe 30 minutes, a little longer if needed. We're just going to get everything nice and hot and warm, get it all stirred together nicely. And once it's ready to go, we'll transfer this inside, and I plan on putting it in my my portable Presto slow cooker, because this is a game day thing. I want to be able to cook it, and we're going to take it over to Abby's parents for game day next weekend.
Yes, indeed.
A separate batch. This is a test batch.
Well, we got to test it, make sure
Yeah,
it's
I
good.
want to this is our game day too.
Yeah, exactly.
But I wanted to make sure this is a good recipe, so we had to test it before we make it for the rest of the family. We've been smoking for 30 minutes now. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, melting nicely.
Yes.
So we'll go ahead and give it a mix it up, and we need to keep going with it. Ain't quite there yet.
Cheese.
This is smelling so good.
Yes.
And Abby's actually watching her Chiefs right now too.
Yes, I am.
They're playing Cleveland today.
Yes.
All right, so now we've got everything incorporated well. We'll go ahead and close the lid and just keep on cooking until this is all incorporated really well. All right, we've been smoking for an hour now on the roughneck for about 2 Coors Banquets. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good. Give it a little mix. Yep, that is looking good right there.
Yes.
Look at the consistency. I'm happy with it. So
Yes.
I think from here, it's about time to go ahead. We go ahead and pull it off here. This is really what you want. You know, this is a game day snack, you know, an appetizer or a meal if you want. But so we've been cooking for an hour, but we're going to go ahead and transfer this to our slow cooker inside. And so we're going to go ahead and take it out of the roughneck here.
It is time for a taste test. The best part. Let's dip us up a little. Oh, yeah. This smells really good. I wish that you guys could smell it, but you should just make this so you can smell it. All right. We have Fritos and we have scoops, but I'm going for scoops today. This is gonna be hot because it's burning my fingers right now. So hold on.
Holding.
Okay, here we go. God. It's so good. That beer flavor is so good in there. It gives it something that's hard to kind of identify, but it's really good.
It's that Coors Banquet.
Man, it's just really good. It's not too spicy. I'm glad you took the seeds and the ribs out, so it's not too much. You can really taste the different cheeses in there. Oh, it's so good.
How about smokiness?
The smokiness is definitely there, and I think you put the perfect amount in. It's not too much,
Okay.
but it's definitely there. This is a winner. I think this is just going to be our tailgate queso.
Sounds great.
From now on, maybe we can call it that. Tailgate queso.
Tailgate queso. I like that. Winner.
Tailgate beer cheese queso. We'll work on it.
All right, it's my turn to taste the smoked queso. Let's go for it.
Yep. Yum.
I'm gonna get me a big old scoop because this is my lunch today right here. All right, so I'm gonna top it with some green onions, some cilantro, and pickled jalapeno, okay? Get some cilantro in here. All right, and then we'll go with some of these pickled jalapenos.
I like what you're doing.
Yep, there we go. All right, I'm excited to give this a try. I'm gonna go with the Fritos. That's my favorite scoop and chip. Got a little bit of the green onion, cilantro, and the jalapeno. Mmm.
Yeah?
That is delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
You nailed it, what you were saying. It's really good. All the flavors came together really well. I like the addition of the toppings right here, you know, with the green and the jalapeno. I gotta have another bite.
Please do.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Touchdown.
I think the Chiefs are definitely going to win today. It's probably because of this queso.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video. We had fun sharing it with you. This is fun stuff that we love doing on the weekends. This is strictly for fun. As I mentioned before, barbecuing is a hobby for me. That's what I consider it. I love trying new recipes, especially when it comes to grilling and smoking. And this was no exception right there. So we wanted something fun that we could create like this and have a portable unit that we could take with us on the road to the family's house or at the camp. You know, we might be going to somebody else's campsite, and this little Nomad is working great for that. But I'm real happy with the recipe. I think it turned out great. You can obviously kick up the spice level if you wanted to by using hot chilies, maybe even a touch of, you know, hot pepper in there if you wanted to as well. But this is definitely delicious. Abby loves it. I love it. I think your family's going to like it too.
They will.
And I think this is going to be a good addition to the tailgate, to the Chiefs tailgate next weekend.
Agreed.
All right, we'll see you guys later, and we hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you on the next adventure.
I'm going to eat some more.
Go for it.